The unboxing experience of this is just, I don't know. What's the word? I'm thinking of a word. I'm trying to think of a word. Yeah, it'll come to me. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Just the Worst. Today, I have a very special treat for you guys, gals, and anybody else in between or around. Now, you're pretty familiar with this, probably, if you're not poor. This is your basic iPhone 7. Now, throw this away because you're gonna be using one of these. This is a burner phone from Blue Smartphones. And I know what you're probably gonna say. Oh, it has buttons on the front of the phone. Oh, it doesn't have a touchscreen. Oh, it's like the length of my penis. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice is the size. It's a bit of a smaller form factor compared to your regular smartphones these days on the market. But remember, it's not about the size, it's about what you can do with it. The phone fits perfectly fine in the palm of my hand without having for me to overextend myself for any button on the face of the phone, which is really refreshing. Now, when you scale down in the size of the phone, the screen is gonna have to follow suit. But it doesn't matter because we have ourselves here a crisp 2.4-inch display across. And believe me when I say this, that images have never looked better on a display like this. Coming at us with a clean VGA camera. And for those of you who aren't really into cameras all that much, VGA basically means that it's coming at us with a 0.3 megapixel camera right here, with expandable storage of up to 32 gigabytes on a micro SD card. We're taking it back to 2005 and heading on over to LimeWire to ethically download our music. Just for comparison, in 2006, the Zune 30 had a maximum of 30 gigabytes of storage. And now this is 2020 and we have 32 gigabytes, baby. Now, battery life is solid. We have ourselves here a 1000 milliamp hour battery, and I'm getting really close to 2 full days of screen on time with this thing. Oh, and we also have the headphone jack back. So suck it, everybody else. Now, the operating system is really interesting to me because they're taking it back here with like a 2005 aesthetic, and I'm not really mad about that because nostalgia is pretty big right now, and it's basically the trend to go with a bit more older style influence. So that kind of wins me over in that department, to be honest. Plus, it helps that it runs butter smooth. Personally, I would recommend it just for the camera itself because it takes great photos of landscape, your family, anything important really that you want to capture. For me, it's the complete package, pun intended, and that's pretty rare to find in a smartphone these days on the market. All right, ladies, gentlemen, and everything else in between and or around, that pretty much does it for the Zoe 2.4 3G. So take care. Peace.